Okay, we'll start our session with OLES, Online Learning System, which you can access is accessible through oles.kuptm.edu.my. Okay, let me brief to you what OLES is. OLES is an official one-stop center for online teaching and learning at KUPTM and KPTM. So all lecturers here have to use this system. The function is to support and enhance teaching and learning with the use of ICT. How? Students and lecturers can interact at any time to the multimedia features provided. So this is very good thing, okay? Because anywhere you are, you can have access to OLES. You can make an announcement even with the use of your mobile phone. Okay, among the interesting things that you can do with OLES, you can manage teaching and learning materials according to week and topic, which I will show you later. Making course announcement, especially now that we are conducting online, will need, it will be better to use OLES to make a course announcement. So everything is centralized instead of, make an announcement using your WhatsApp, your email. So just focus on one platform to make an announcement. Assignment submission, you can ask your student to submit assignment through OLES. So it will be centralized too. And then you can also conduct forum discussion in OLES. Okay, so I will be focusing on all this in our learning session. This is what your OLES looks like. Okay, if you type OLES at kuptm.edu.my, in order to enter, you have to log in. Okay, username would be your FB, and then password. Then just log in. You will see in the course view the subject that you will assign for that semester. Okay, this is just a sample. I'm just going to show you my OLES. So let's just take a look at this. Okay. You will see that the OLES is arranged according to the week. Okay, so of course, if you get the OLES, it will be empty. All this will be empty. So what you can do is that you can label your OLES. Okay, let's say this is week 1. So you just write week 1 here. I'm going to show you how to put that later. You can put a picture to welcome your students. You can put all information that have to do in that particular week. Okay, normally first week you discuss syllabus, so you can put your syllabus, all the assessment, and also the topic that you covered in that week. Okay, so the same also with week 2, you can put the announcement for quiz, the case study, the due date, okay, and then the announcement where should it be submitted, and then this is where the student can submit. You can put animated pictures. Try to make your OLES informative, okay, and attractive, so that the student will refer to it a lot. Okay, and then you can put everything, case study submission when the mid-semester break, so that student would know they're not going to ask you so many times. This is how you can put your forum here. Okay, so this is how the forums looks like. Okay, same also final exam. Okay, you can put the link. So try to make your OLES informative, that students will be rely on your OLES. Because there's so many things that you can do with your OLES. How to start your OLES? Okay, this is what you have to do in order to start your OLES, or else it will not be function. You have to turn editing on. Okay, look at the button there. Okay, and then you will see once it changed to this point, then you can start make some changes in your OLES. You can start labeling your OLES. You can start attaching all the files that you want, okay, in that particular week. Okay, let's take for example, I'm going to show you how to attach your files. Okay, so notice that this is turn editing off already, so meaning you can do many change here. So what you can do in order to attach all the files here, like what I did here, course information case study, you just open your folder, okay, and then yes, put it side by side. Just drag the file from the folder to this area. Just drag, move your files. So that's it, very simple. Just drag the file. Okay, it will be there automatically. You don't have to click any button. So how simple it is. Okay, how to label your OLES? Okay, first thing you need to click in the setup icon. Click on this setup icon to insert text, picture, and link. Okay, then you will see this. So you can type in this area your announcement, whatever you want, type in this area. You can attach picture. You can just cut and paste. You can get the picture from your websites, maybe interesting picture that have to do with your course. Okay, you can just copy and paste it in this area. You can insert picture also from your file, from your folder. You can insert a link, for example, like URL, anything that you want your students to read, or maybe a Google Drive, Google link, also can. Okay, once done, you just need to press this button, Save Change. Okay, so the outcome will be like this. Okay, this is just a sample. Okay, think of what you can do to your OLES later. Okay, for assignment submission, you just need to click in, add an activity or resources. Then you will see this. Okay, just click in on assignment. Okay, once you click in there, you will get this. Okay, you just need to fill in what is the name of your assignment, what is the description, maybe you can put the instruction. Okay, so this is how you may want to put a file here that related to your assignment. Okay, and then you can also update the allow when you want your submission to be submitted. Allow submission from the due date, the cutoff date, so you can adjust it here. And then what are the submission types? Is it going to be online? Is it going to be a file submission? Okay, and then how many files you want to be submitted? All this, just click in. And then, okay, require student to click submit button. You may want to put yes. Okay, require students to accept the submission statement. Okay, better that way, so at least students have the proof that they have submitted. Okay, once done, you just need to save and return to the course, or save and display. Okay. Let me show you sample of assignment submission. You just click in like this. So you just fill in like this. Crop assignment. Okay, put it. All the particulars, all the descriptions that you want. Okay, and then you're going to see it like this. So this is what the students, what you're going to, how you view it in your OLES. Okay, and this is how the students gonna get it. Okay, this is how the student going to submit. Okay, how they're going to submit is that they just can drag the file to this area. Okay, very simple. They can submit their assignment by dragging and attaching their file in the file submission box. Or they can provide a link of the assignment by clicking the link button. Okay, so they just put their URL there. So this is how the student submit their assignment. Okay, actually the student have no problem to submit the assignment. They really know how to use this. Okay, lecturer can view the assignment by submitted by clicking the view, grade, or submission. Okay, when they click the submissions, so they can see this point. Just click on this, then you're going to see it, group assignment submission. What you need to do is just click on download all submissions, so it will automatically download to the folders, and you can have all your students' assignments. So it's simple step. Okay, now we move to the discussion forum at OLES. What is discussion forums? Okay, you can see that it's an activity where students and lecturers can exchange ideas by posting comments. Okay, it's very interesting. Benefit allow to students to have asynchronous discussions, engaging student in discussion of course materials, getting feedback or reaction or reply to content in the forums. Okay, I will show you some examples later. Okay, how to do this is click on the same like what you did in the assignment submission, add an activity or resources. You'll see these activities, you just need to click forum. Okay, once you click that forum, they're going to give you, okay, this, you just need to, okay, what is your forum name, put the description, and then you have to choose the type of your forums. Okay, which one you want it to be. So, okay, this is the example of the forum types. Okay, simple discussion. Is it going to be standard forum for general use? Each person posts one discussion, so meaning the student can also post, discuss certain topic. Q&A forums or standard forums. So it will be up to you which forums that you prefer for your objective. Okay, the sample of discussion forum, let me show you one of the sample. Okay, these are the forum discussion on group assignment. So I specifically put one forum so that if the student have a discussion on group, want to ask question on group assignment, they can ask it here so that my reply will also be seen by others. Okay, for example here, if you have a question on group assignment report, please put your question here. Okay, and then the student, if you notice that, okay, let's say for example like this student, okay, she want to verify whether what she did is correct, so she attach the pictures and then ask question. Okay, it's very simple. If you look at, okay, like this, okay, and then you just praise the student, they have done well, students really like this. Okay, and then let's say for example like this student, I have question for marketing strategy. Is the point on the marketing which in the product mix pricing the same as in topic 5? So this also this student also asked for clarification. So this is a beauty thing of having a forum discussion. You can think of so many others what you can do with this. Maybe you can ask the students to discuss or to define. Okay, try to get from the website and share it in this forum. Okay, this is another sample. Forum on topic 7. So this is on topic in my chapters. Okay, for example here I put my PowerPoint, which I just put a link. Okay, and then I put a video explaining the PowerPoint. And then once the student have read all this, I put it here, compulsory individual exercise on topic 7. So meaning after they have seen my video, they have to answer the questions. This is a Google form. Okay, short essay questions. So this is sort of like attendance lah. Okay, if you have any question on topic 7, please do not hesitate to ask. Good luck. Okay, so the students can reply once they're done. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, thank you. So this is another way you can use forum because you want to see your student reaction. Yeah. Okay, archive. What does it mean here is that let's say if you for this semester, if you want to look back at the files that you have done in the previous semester, you can always look back in your OLES. Okay, your previous OLES is available. Okay, maybe you have some of the files that you want to refer to in your previous OLES, you can always look at the archive. So it's still available even though if you are in the current semester. Okay, how to go to it is that you just need to click site home. Okay, click site home. Okay, here, then you will get all this. Okay, so that's it for OLES.